Hi friends, now we have one Dell laptop. In the laptop, now we are going to install Windows 11. It was the new laptop. Select your language, select next, keyboard or input method US, install Windows 11. I agree everything will be deleted including files, apps and settings because it was my new laptop. There is no files in this. Because of this, I am select this option. If you have files, you took the backup before installing the Windows 11. Otherwise, all the files will be deleted. The next, then click here. I don't have product key. If you have a Windows 11 key, you can put it. Otherwise, select this option. I don't have a product key option. And here select your version. Windows 11 Pro. If you have Windows 11 Home, you can select this Windows 11 Home. In my case, my laptop, it will be in the Windows 11 Pro only. I select this Windows 11 Pro and then click next, and then click accept here. Wait for few seconds. Now it is not showing my 1 TB NVMe SSD is there in this, but it is not showing. For this, I will show you. Click this option, load driver. Click this option, load driver, and then select the browse. In my pen drive, I copied one folder name called VMD and IF6FLPY64. These are the SSD drivers where it is going to install it. Then select the VMD. If you want these drivers, select the click the below the description. I am giving one link. For this link, you can install it. You can download it in the below description link. Select this VMD and then OK. And then click this option. See, now it is showing 1 TB NVMe. Click this. Next option. Okay, that's it. Thank you.